You sitting in the bumbo seat, Liam?
Yeah, that's my friend. I can get home. I can get home.
Right.
I can bigger. I can get home. Got fuzzy on my wig.
No, you're stuck in the bumbo.
Now I can't say bamboo. Now I'm stuck in the bumbo. I'm stuck in the bumbo. Stuck in the bumbo.
You're funny.
I am funny. I fall down there.
Don't fall on the floor,
Wow.
'cause it would hurt.
I'm not.
There you go. That's about how you looked at it at about 9 months, too.
Take my picture.
I am. I'm recording you. 'Cause you're a funny kid. What you watching over there?